Hi guys, so in this video I am going to show you how to create a Slack account on Android. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, if you haven't installed the Slack app, please download it first from the Play Store. Open the Play Store. Type Slack in the search bar. Then you can install it. Now open the Slack app. Tap Sign in if you already have an account. However, if you want to create a new account, tap Go On. Tap Skip Intro. Enter your email address or tap Google to create a Slack account with Google. All Google accounts logged into your device will appear here. So, please select the Google account you want to use as your Slack email address. Tap Continue. Tap Get Started. Enter your full name. Tap Next. Type your company or team name. Tap Next. Select one of the methods to share your workspace or tap Skip. Type the name of the project your team is working on. Now you've successfully created and logged in to your Slack account. You also have a workspace. Next, you can explore the Slack app's features. For example, you can change your Slack profile, status, profile photo, etc. That's the tutorial on how to create a Slack account on Android. I hope this video will help you. See you in the next video. Thank you.